ain't done all the job again.
I was going to say, are you napping?
I'm not napping. I'm just doing the parts that nobody ever sees.
Yeah, you do that. All right, got a question.
Excuse the old man noises here.
All right, here's your question.
Okay.
Are classic cars worth buying?
Yes, take two.
Take two.
I think so, but I'm a car guy.
Yeah.
And they do go up in value, but it's more of a long process for that.
Yeah.
As they get rarer and rarer, they become more and more expensive. I can remember, back in the day, I could get a split window Beetle for $200 at Ram.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you could do that. It's like oval. People were cutting them up just for, making Bajas out of them just because they were damaged.
Wow.
So, yeah, it's like, we've done a few conversions from Baja back to, a stock look.
Oh, wow.
I think they are.
Yeah.
So, but only if you're a car guy and really love it. If you're just doing it as an investment, no.
So, you hear about people flipping cars.
Yeah.
Is that actually even a thing? Is it?
There are some people out there that do that, yes.
And they're restoring them, or is it more?
No, they're just basically, they're finding them and dragging them out of a field and selling them for $100 to $300 more.
So that's a whole different thing.
Yeah.
Rather than
that's just,
paying to get it restored and trying to sell it immediately, that's not going to work, right?
That would only work on a few models,
Uh-huh.
and if a lot wasn't wrong with the car to begin with.
Yeah.
Labor is about 70% of the cost of a restoration. So if you do it at home, it's going to take a little bit longer because we've got 3 to 6 guys working on it or in various processes, and we're a little bit faster than you are probably just because we do this day in and day out.
Oh yeah.
It's money well spent. It's like me down here underneath this. It's like I'm not sure how many owners would actually go down and do something like that.
Gosh, yeah.
There's a lot of little tiny detail stuff that you don't know until you don't know, or you know until you whatever. You know what I mean?
Like that. I don't know.
So this is where I've been stuck. So I've been doing body work.
All right, so we're on Riley's 68 Ghia.
Yeah. So after I'd done all of the metal shaping up on the nose, so I had to reshape this nose by about 3 inches. So I've got a coat of rough filler, which is kitty hair or epoxy.
Okay.
It's Duraglass is what we use, and it's a Kevlar. It's a resin-based Kevlar reinforced filler. Okay. And it's extremely tough.
Yeah.
And then just the little low spots that I missed, I go back and hit it with some normal filler. And this is just part of the process.
Right.
So we try to keep the filler to an absolute minimum. This will still pass the magnet test.
Oh, what's the magnet test? We're about to find out. Science.
Science, yo.
Science, yo. Nice.
So,
okay. So what if it was on top of filler?
I don't really.
You don't have any.
I don't really have any thick spots of filler in here, so.
Oh man! All right. We can't do science, guys. Sorry.
Well, I did. I just proved the point that it's
That's true.
Do not do that at home with a.
I was going to say,
if you're doing that on a car to check for filler, put a microfiber cloth in between you and it, so you can actually see.
Otherwise, you can have a little.
You're gonna scratch it. So, like in here, this has been popped in by about 2 inches. I brought that out. Brought this out. Get the finishing disc. Okay. Or the shrinking disc with it, and then just a light coat of filler, and I still haven't. Maybe that won't pass. I don't know.
I was going to say it's a little thicker.
Well, I haven't sanded it down yet.
Right.
So.
So
even on the high spots, so even thick filler still passes my magnet test. And no, I do not use metal putties. Yeah. So I don't like them. So and then doing all the little tiny stuff in here.
This is actually moving fast, I think, isn't it?
We had to replace this piece because it was all rotted out, and so we had one of the guys fab that up, and he was. In fact, you guys met him last week. Yeah. He is off for Corona vacation.
Oh yay!
Yay! So
COVID vacay.
One of his kids' significant others came down with symptoms and tested positive last week.
So we're just being really careful.
So we're just being careful. He's got 5 days, and if he shows no symptoms, he can come back to work. So
in time for Thanksgiving.
In time for Thanksgiving, which is going to be a short week anyway. So I really don't know what else is going on here because Mr. Happy Pants over here has been hogging up 2 of the bays.
Oh, Happy Pants.
Oh, what? I'm just now hogging up 2 of them.
There you go.
What are you working on?
Well,
Look
on
at this,
Mr.
it has
Wilson, we've got
seats.
3 seats in now.
Oh.
We've got his show bar in.
Whoa.
Working
That looks
on
good.
getting the dash and everything wired
It's like a
back up.
chauffeur arrangement right now. With just
Yes,
the one
it
up front.
is. Yes. Still got to finish up the passenger seat on it.
Okay.
So. But
looks
so
good.
taking a break from him for a moment and working on Miss Graves.
All right.
A few other items we need to let her know about on hers.
Okay.
To
Great.
make it safe and all. So it's
On
kind
the
of bouncing around a
74.
little bit. Yeah, the
Yeah.
old 74 Ghia.
All right. Great.
Yep.
Well, it's looking good.
Yes.
All right.
Come
Let's
along.
see.
So
Here's.
you come in for an interior install.
Yeah.
We actually will do an inspection on the car just to make sure it's safe.
Well, that's
Yes.
good because I mean sometimes we've had people come in with stuff that is really not safe.
We actually do have an update on Mr. Range's car. I talked with Carol. They're going to be sending the next piece of the puzzle that we need to start putting the interior back together. That should be here probably next week.
Okay.
So she said something about it. She was getting it into production this weekend. They're having COVID problems and staffing problems, just like everybody else. is.
Yeah.
And
All right. What's up with Gazo's Ghia?
just waiting on manpower to get into it.
Okay, because we got the gauges.
Yeah. So Josh is going to be working on this next with Mr. Daren, and since Mr. Josh has COVID vacation this week, and you actually caught us in the middle of doing. We're actually doing a video that you guys will see next week of how to install a carpet set in a convertible Doodle.
All right.
So
Well, I won't interrupt Darren for that.
Oh no, we can edit this other one out.
Yeah. All right. So talk to us.
Doing the interior for this was just, we gotta do a little customization.
Ah, yes.
The carpet kits.
Customize the heck out of it, huh?
Yeah, these carpet kits are special. So they
Oh
come,
yeah. Let's see.
they come and they look like they're supposed to fit, but you gotta do a little finagle into them. So I'm also at the same time doing the one on Mrs. Graves' Ghia there, but he's working on it right now, so I'm going back and forth between those two.
Okay.
We're doing full carpet kit in that one also. So we put down, which we're going to go over in the video, but we put down 2 types of sound deadening, a kill mat, which is underneath the carpet here, which you see right here, and then we put down a batting, which is a little bit thicker, and it keeps the sound of the engine and the road and everything out, and then we put the carpet over it. So it's not just throw carpet over metal.
Right, yeah.
So you got to kind of cut and piece and make things work if you do it right the way it needs to be done. So
Well, it looks really good.
we're working on it.
You're making it look easy.
Yeah, I don't know about that, but we're trying.
Fantastic.
So that's
All
really
right.
all I've been doing the last couple of days. Some interior on these 2 cars.
You sniffing glue?
I am sniffing glue. Legally.
Getting paid to do it.
Getting paid
Yeah,
to
I'm
do
getting
it.
paid to do it.
All right.
So is this the part where we say goodnight, goodbye, nice
Yes,
people?
this is the part where we say goodbye, nice.
What about all of the weird people out there?
Well, they're nice people too.
Okay.
You're my favorite weirdo, so you know, there's.
Goodbye, everybody.
There we go.
Bye, nice people.